Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use FC24 app. So let's get started. So here you can see the FC24 creator card app. So I will just open it. So to use it is very easy. You have to follow these easy steps. So here you have to select the one like card creator. You can just create a card from here. Okay, customize card. If you don't if you have a card, you can just select from gallery, and from here you can set this, and you can just share this card into your Twitter or X. Okay, so from here you can just follow your community, and from there you can just click on this plus icon and you can share, and by this way you can use it, and it's a very fantastic app to like come the community together. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.